How to use Unitedhealthcare UCARD at Walmart. This tutorial will guide you through the process of using your Unitedhealthcare UCARD at Walmart. The UCARD is a convenient tool for accessing your healthcare benefits and making purchases. This guide provides step-by-step instructions to ensure you make the most out of your UCARD when shopping at Walmart. Familiarize yourself with the features of the Unitedhealthcare UCARD. The UCARD functions like a debit card, allowing you to use it for eligible health-related expenses. Check the balance on your UCARD before shopping to know how much you can spend. Use the Walmart store locator on their website or app to find a nearby store that accepts UCARD. Ensure the store is part of the Unitedhealthcare network for UCARD usage. Make sure your UCARD is activated. You may need to log into your Unitedhealthcare account to verify its activation. Gather any necessary identification or documentation that may be needed alongside your UCARD. Select the items you wish to purchase that are eligible for payment with your UCARD. Keep in mind that not all items are eligible, so check the list of covered expenses if uncertain. When ready to check out, inform the cashier that you will be using your Unitedhealthcare UCARD for payment. Swipe or insert your UCARD into the card reader, just like a debit or credit card. Follow any prompts on the screen to complete the transaction. After the transaction, check your receipt to confirm that the purchase was processed correctly. Keep your receipt for your records, especially for healthcare reimbursement purposes. Using your Unitedhealthcare UCARD at Walmart is a straightforward process that can help you manage your healthcare expenses more effectively. Ensure your card is activated and check the eligibility of items before shopping. By following these steps, you can confidently utilize your UCARD for purchases at Walmart. If you have any further questions, consider reaching out to Unitedhealthcare customer service for assistance.